Oh.
Oh, I need to buy.
Ooh, the thunder. Woohoo! Resupply.
2 bags.
Doing our resupply. Okay, we're in Shaw's in Monson. Here's a bit of bonus material for you, some bonus content. We're gonna show you what we resupply and how we resupply.
Yeah.
So, Toe Tag, would you like to give us a wee walkthrough of what you're bringing into the 100-mile wilderness?
So this is the majority of my food. I still need to get a couple small things, but I'll mention those. But yeah, so how I resupply is I got my breakfasts. My breakfast is instant coffee and a breakfast essentials. I don't like eating food right off the bat in the morning, but I can make this hot, I can make this cold. It's got some caffeine to get me going. It's got nice protein and fats and stuff, milk powder, and the breakfast essentials is, in my opinion, one of the most important things on the trail for me. So yeah, that's my breakfast. Then I have walking snacks between breakfast, setting down camp, and our second breakfast break. I have a walking snack. Usually it's 2 bars, but these are bigger bars. They got 280 calories, so I can do one of these for 5 days, 1 a day. That's my walking snack. Then I also have an extra Nutty Buddy.
We like the Nutty Buddies.
Nutty Buddies are amazing. Little Debbie's, good protein, tastes really, really nice. I've never gotten sick of them. Then I got my second breakfast, which I can do a Larry's cookie for second brekkies. Pretty good calories and protein. And then that's 2 of them. And then the other 2 ones, I will combo another Builder's Bar with a Nutty Buddy as the other 2 days. So I got 4 days of second breakfast right there. And then this is my second breakfast, just filling up one. Got usually like trail mix. I mix hot peanuts and a trail mix together. It's something that I could eat more on days that I'm hungry and less on days that I'm a little not as hungry. I kind of just fill in when I need to with that. And then we got electrolytes. And then lunches. We'd sent up Rockself a box. It didn't get to Stratton in time, so we forwarded it to here. It barely made it today. So we have extra fuel.
We've got double fuel.
We have double fuel because we ordered some. So this is stuff that we sent ourselves. We had prepackaged some in San Diego, and we had shipped it. So I have fuel for lunch, and then my staple for lunch also is chips. Once again, it's something that you can fill yourself up. Some days that you're hungry, you eat more chips. The days that you're not as hungry, you don't have to eat as many chips. It's kind of like a filling in one. It's not just set amounts, but it's a set amount plus a filler thing. And then I got fuels for dinner. And then I have this also. This is going to be my first night, and also my this is my pot. I use Mountain House as my pot. And then I also have stuff to...
And by that he means he heats up water and then pours it into there with the fuel, and he cooks in that.
I cook in a Mountain House bag. You can just reuse it, and you can get rid of it when you think it's bad and get another one. And then I have stuff to do my Huel bombs. I got my mashed potatoes. I got my my olive oil. I got my hot sauce, my ghost pepper hot sauce, and I also bought some dry mushrooms at a farmer's market. Dried oyster mushrooms, just a little something. Got some pepper in there. So this is stuff to make my bombs for my dinner. And then we got dinners up there, and that's pretty much how I approach resupply.
Okay, and we'll go for... I have a slightly different method for resupply, because what I like to do is I like to sort it into each day. So we're planning 5 days in the 100-mile wilderness, which is actually 110 miles, I think, isn't it, by the time we are at the other side. So I like to put it in each day, and then I get my big Ziplocs, and then I number them. So then every morning I can just pick up a Ziploc bag for that day, fill my pockets. But I'll go over a wee bit of what a day looks like for me. So for breakfast, so I'm having breakfast at the hostel, so that's why number 1 doesn't have breakfast. But typically I'll have some oatmeal, breakfast essential. Love a breakfast essential. Get your protein. And with that, I will put, this is my kind of like everything bag. So I'll put trail mix. I usually like to have granola, but I couldn't find any in the shop today. So I'll mix that together for breakfast. And second breakfast, similar to Jordan, I've got a variety of Larry's cookies, protein bars, Nature Valley, Nutty Buddies, that kind of thing. So mixture of that. And then I also will do fuel. I don't usually do fuel for lunch and dinners, but like we said, we've got extra. So with the chili, I'm planning on doing these ones for lunch with wraps. You can see these are like full of like, they're fortified with essential nutrients, pretty good stuff. I've had this for the entire trail. Lots of different flavors. So that's lunch and dinner. I have a wee cheese, which I'm excited about. And some olive oil to add. I found that in a hiker box. And yeah, I'll have an electrolyte. So I've got an electrolyte in each one. This vitamin C electrolyte. And yeah, then this is kind of my extras. That these won't go into each separate bag, but you know, like my crisps and mashed potato and more olive oil and sweeties, and I like a wee bit of chewing gum, some salt. So yeah, I'll just sort that out into my individual bags, and then that'll go into my big food bag. And we're also packing out pizza. Always pack out pizza. So I like to buy a pizza, eat some pizza, and then wrap it in tin foil and have it for the first day lunch. That's my number one tip. And that's it. That is how we resupply on the AT. Cheers. You need another beer.